Hello, NeXT community. I wanted to show you my 3D printed logo here. Shout out to Nitro. He created some STLs a while back. I could print these any size. So obviously, if I reduce them into the size of the original cube logo here, and I like my color choices. I think I do have one that's a little bit more pink, but this is the first time I've ever tried this, and it turned out pretty good. It's three-dimensional, as you can see. So, yet another cool thing I can do with my 3D printers. And this is a game changer because this will look nice. I can adjust although I like this black matte color, I can get a shinier filament. I'm just happy I have my printer working again because it was jamming up. So I had to go through the new one, the new H2D. I had to go through and clean everything up. So now I know how to clean the extruders and hot ends as well. Stay tuned, more awesome stuff to come from the black hole.